Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. Just a real quick look here at Tempur Sealy. It's the bed company. A lot of you probably sleep well on one, but I think you can sleep well on the chart too. If we just want to check this out, you'll see how this stock has been kind of, it formed a base here and then, pretty decent breakout, solid volume here, and then a nice rally up to 50, and now we're kind of getting the same thing. Fell below the 50-day moving average, and that's not a good thing. Typically, you want to see them, if they do fall below the 50, you want to see it snap back right away. It didn't do that, so it's just not that type of stock, but if you really want to look back and see, did the same thing here. Kind of meandered around on both sides of the border before it finally ran up. So this doesn't really bother me at all. The thing that I'm looking for is a clear breakout like we saw back here. I want to see a volume spike that's greater than average, and I want to see the move higher. Frankly, I think that from a risk standpoint, I feel like you're better off waiting for the stock to break out above 50. Because it's been in this kind of weekly squeeze here. But if you wait for it to break out above 50, then at least you know that this thing is in blue sky. All of the regretful supply is out of the way, and then the stock can move higher. So anyway, that's how I would look at Tempur. Myself, that is the way I'm looking at it. I'm not long this stock at all, but I am looking to buy if the stock breaks out. Okay, so that's all I got for you. One thing, I'm gone until next week. I got a couple days of travel for various things, and then I'll be back next week. But Scott's going to handle it, and I will just tell you this. If you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, I think now's a really, really good time to join. There's a special price on a workshop that I'm teaching in March. You've probably been getting marketing emails on that. But one thing I don't think is mentioned is when you pull the trigger on that, and you can always cancel before the course. But I'm serious about this, but if you pull the trigger on that before the end of the year, then obviously it's an immediate tax deduction. So anyway, just think about that. I'm not hard selling anybody. I'm just saying. So I will see you guys back on Monday. Okay, have a good evening and have a great, wonderful, and safe New Year's Eve.